Thank you for the speakers for today. It's very educational, really, and of course enlightening to hear various vendors and manufacturers about the airsoft industry developed over the years and what you are going to use for this year. But here, my purpose is basically to show you the awards that we had for popular airsoft, which we've been having for the 5th year now. The Airsoft Players Choice Awards is basically an award given by the readers of popular airsoft, and for this year there were over 62,000 votes. 62,000 votes for the various about 2021 categories, awarding certain organizations, individuals, and companies for their contribution to the airsoft industry and to the airsoft community. Well, not everyone can attend it for this year. Usually there's in the States or some in Asia, but most of the exhibitors are here, are going to receive the awards. And for this year, 2 awardees are basically going to be inducted into the Hall of Fame. The Hall of Fame is basically the winners are inducted into this category for winning in their category, in their respective categories for 5 times. Not exactly 5 times in a row, but for 5 times. So there are some here where, like Border War, they need to win about twice more before they get inducted. So it's not exactly an easy task. So winning 5 times is really such an achievement that what we usually tell to the Hall of Famers, you don't need to prove something anymore. You've already done a lot of service for your community, to your customers, and whatever markets you're serving. So now I'll start first with this one. It's for the best airsoft retailer for Asia for the 5th Airsoft Players Choice Awards. This goes to RedWolf Airsoft. For RedWolf USA rather than Asia. For the 5th Airsoft Players Choice Awards in the category Best Airsoft Kaboom, or basically for airsoft grenades, pyros, and what have you, this award goes to Airsoft Innovations for the 3rd year right now. Yay! For the Best Airsoft Retailer for Europe, for the 5th Airsoft Players Choice Awards, this goes to Gunfire. The CEO of Gunfire receiving the award. Congratulations, Peter. I don't know if she's here. Is he here? Where is he? Okay, for the best airsoft event, 500 players up, which basically they got more than 2,000 players playing in one massive airsoft event. And winning for the 3rd time is Border War for their 6th edition called the Sunseeker for best airsoft event. I just take a pause for a while and just check something out.
Sure. And I'll show you a little impression of the Water War events.
Yep.
Oh. wait a sec. We do need some sound.
Oh yeah, sound please. number 16, the best Airsoft event for the 5th Popular Airsoft Players Choice Awards. Now, we're going to the new category, actually, or the Hall of Fame. For the Hall of Fame, Airsoft Players Choice Awards, and we got actually 4 Hall of Famers now. 2 are not in town. One is Tokyo Marui, and the other is Artist Airsoft based in the United Kingdom. But we got 2 here right now. One, won their respective categories for 5 times. And the first inductee to the Hall of Fame for this year is RedWolf Airsoft. He is awarded to RedWolf Airsoft for the significant achievement of being voted 5 times by the readers of Popular Airsoft as the best retailer for Asia. This one's gonna be a big group, okay? And of course, it's gonna be led by their CEO, Mr. Peter Yanchev. The next Hall of Famer for this year, Gunfire. Congratulations. That's a cool team there.
Yeah.
This award is given to Gunfire, being inducted in March 2015 for the significant achievement of being voted 5 times by readers of Popular Airsoft as the best airsoft retailer for Europe.
All right, thank you guys, and congratulations. Great job.